Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Cauliflower supply question coming fast. We need the choice that shifts supply right in the short run, not demand. And the logic is super clean. An increase in supply means producers are willing and able to sell more cauliflower at every price. So we should look for something that lowers production costs or makes cauliflower better too. Option D says broccoli becomes cheaper, and broccoli is a substitute crop farmers can grow instead, so cauliflower becomes the more attractive production choice and resources shift toward cauliflower. If farmers can produce either crop, lower broccoli prices reduce broccoli profitability, which increases cauliflower supply in the short run. So option D wins. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Don't rush signs, trust what's given, and check each step so supply shifts aren't confused with demand changes.